there, this is Erica Romero, and welcome to today's Tuesday tip. I offer teaching tips to college instructors, and high school teachers can use them as well for the most part. And so today I'm talking about how to make sure that students are understanding and taking up the main points of each class period. And so I've talked about this before, but specifically it's to use an exit card to get these takeaways. And so this is an index card that you'd pass out to your students, and you tell them, okay, class is over. What's the main thing you feel you've learned in this class session? What's the main thing that's confused you about this class session? Write those two things down, and then I'll collect them, right? And then you get them, and then you can see, okay, yes, of my 30 students, 20 of them mentioned this concept that I definitely think is the most important thing about this class day, right? But then looking at it, 10 are confused about this thing. Obviously, you have to go back and re-talk about it next class period. Oh, 3 are confused about this, and this is really key for their unit project. Let me make sure I mention this as well next class period. Okay, so you can do this every day, of course, or you can do it once a week. So at the end of every week, ask, what were your main takeaways from each class period? What's the main thing that confused you about the classes this week? And so you can collect these. Obviously, you can use a digital version if you need to. You can create an assignment that's recurring on your LMS and just have them submit it that way instead. But this makes sure that you actually know what students are grasping and what they're still confused by, and you can add it in future class periods.